Are there? Goes on that one, and then my name's on the docket, but checking the floor and Mr. Kimmer style. It looks like that's what, yeah, that's what this says on here, and yes, his long wordy presentation of the way he does things. Yeah. 10 words or less. Okay. So you've hired Mr. Kimmer.
Yes.
Okay. Good. I'll hold on just 1 second. Let's make sure. It's a charged as a felony because it required DWI. So, you can't operate a motor vehicle without an interlock device. Do you understand?
Can I ask you a question on that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I just stuff, but I don't really know. Sorry. I don't really know anything. That I'm like, finish it doing. You have that. So, you know that it's
No. Oh, you can start a car with an interlock, but if you get caught with a suspended driver's license, they'll probably arrest you.
Okay, even with the
interlock is part one of the problem. The interlock keeps you from an intoxicated person from starting the car. But you are not supposed to operate a motor vehicle, all of us have the same rule, unless we have a valid operator's license. And when it's suspended, it's not valid, it's invalid. And I don't know what the exact rules, they evolve, but if it's suspended, you don't want to do that. If you get caught, I don't care, you can have 8 interlock devices in a car. It won't matter without a valid license.
I knew that was the question he had asked you. So, okay, so I just looked around. 3 months, and then I have to pay a fine at the.
I don't know what it, I don't know if you have to do to purge that. But if, let me look at something really quick. There's a window of voices. What was your blood test?
What?
Yeah, it was 3 times. 3 times. That's not good. I mean, and if you were in a wreck and injured somebody, that would be a serious felony. If you were in a wreck and someone was killed and you were operating a motor vehicle intoxicated with your fault, you would go to prison for a long time. Nobody gets probation for that. So no, but you gotta fix this.
Yeah, I was thinking for a long time. I'm actually in college for a drug counselor. I'm about to graduate.
Okay, so you have Mr. Dusler here is going to represent. Where's Mr. No, sir. You've already hired Ryan Campbell?
Yes, sir.
I thought you were just in the process. There's somebody else is in the process of that. But anyway, get a resetting. We're going to set this for an announcement in 4 weeks, and just have a seat right over there before you leave.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get a resetting first and hold that. Dante Mahone. Yes, sir.
A few minutes later.
Dante Mahone. Ma'am. Mrs. Celerandi.
Yes, sir. Okay.
What's your bond?
It's $5,000.
Okay. All right. We ordered you to take a drug and alcohol test.
Yes, sir.
The nice lady from the probation office who is here is directed to assist in that, the taking of that. And we do these every day. Never have problems. You told me as you were going in that you weren't going to do well on the test. You indicated words to that effect that you were going to fail. Nonetheless, the test had to be taken.
Right.
You threw or tossed the test into the commode, which ruined the test.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Not on
No.
purpose.
And you're going to interrupt the court? Look, I've done this for a long time. You are incoherent right now. Your bond is revoked. You will be held in contempt of court. And you can be placed in jail for 180 days for refusing and failing to take the test as ordered. Your bond is revoked, but before you leave, we're going to get this test. And you're going to be held in custody, and we'll come back in a little bit and give her some fluids, and you're going to take this test so we can find out where your problem is, drugs, alcohol, or both. So that's where you're headed for a while. So we got a trial to take care of right now. We got some other business to take care of. But we know there's a method of handling all of this, and avoiding the inevitable only puts you financially and in your freedom behind the game. You lose those. You're taken into custody. Thank you. All right, let's get ready for this trial. Okay. Short recess.
Lovett,
Yes.
Miss Lovett. So, ma'am, your case was transferred to Superior Court. It's being prosecuted as a felony when you
What?
get, huh?
Oh, it was trespass. They, what? I didn't do anything.
Okay, I get that, ma'am, but the prosecutor has reviewed the case and they're sending it to be prosecuted upstairs. What will happen is you will have the opportunity to have another arraignment upstairs, and they will appoint an attorney to you upstairs, okay?
But I listen. I've been here 5 months. This is the first time I see a judge.
Well, you're seeing me now, but I don't know how long it'll be before you have the arraignment judge upstairs.
I never seen no one. Today is the first day in 5 months. And my release was January 7th. I was supposed to leave then. And they running my cards here and my New York State food stamp cards. They using my accounts and my phones. So
Okay, so
I'm not.
so you-
Look, I came from here to go to FBI.
Good one.
So they can have I haven't heard from them this summer. They stole my information years ago with these psychiatrists, Fry and Beck. I don't have no history of no kind of criminal background, no psych or none of that. And I was in the airport, and they stole my cards and took a Walker card. A Walker card was in New York. I found it. I never used it, but I know where it's coming from. It's coming through my account.
I don't even know what to say to you right now.